Happy Friday, everyone. It's Miss Harmon here with the Feel Good Friday shout out. And because I happened to miss last Friday, I have a few people to shout out today. So the first person on my list is Mr. Joe Sinertia, who is our Director of Student Services. He oversaw and implemented our admissions test online using Linkit. He had an entire team of teachers on board to proctor, and they did an amazing job initiating that process. So great job, Joe. I know you lost a lot of sleep, but we pulled it off, and I'm so proud of our district for being able to do that. And that's all thanks to you and that team of teachers. That you trained. So well done. And my second shout out is going out to Mr. Darren Muley, who oversees the food services program over at Class Academy. He works for our Culinary Education Center, and he has a team of students who provide lunches for our Academy of Allied Health students and for our Marine Academy. So it's really nice that we're able to provide our lunch in district from our own students. So awesome job, Mr. Muley. Keep it up. I've been hearing so many great things about the food coming out of the food prep class over at Class Academy. So thank you, everyone. Stay warm this weekend, and we'll see you next week. Take care.